Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking about a hyper-detailed IM, the Kiwi Ears Astral. Before we get started, let me thank Linsol for sending over the Astral in for review. Rest assured, this review is 100% my own personal opinion. Let's start with the box. The box, as always, Kiwi Ears presentation, very clean. And we can see the specification here. And then the features. Okay, let's just unbox this. Previously, the IM was here. And then we get user manual. And then here, previously the packaging was like this. Okay, so just let's open this kind of small-ish case. And here's the IM with the cable and the accessories. And the accessories, we got ourselves a nozzle, like spare filters or spare nozzle. And then modular cable, this is the 4.4mm module. Extra ear tips, different sizes. And then here's the cable with the Astral attached to it. Okay, let's talk about the build quality and comfort of this IM. The build quality of this IM is, to be honest, feels very nice. It uses a medical grade resin and is built very well. I don't see any imperfection in the molding on my unit, but it does look and feel quite chunky. Like, look at this, it's kind of thick as my thumb, but it is very comfortable to wear, and the shape is just right, and I can literally headbang and do whatever without the IMs falling from my ears. As for the cable, it looked nice, it feels nice, and it's modular. Like, you can just pull this, boom, and use whatever connection you need. And yeah, let's talk about the specs. The Astral uses a 10mm dynamic driver with bioceramic diaphragm as the subwoofer and 6 balance armature. 2 dual mid-range equals 4 mid-range drivers and a dual ultra-high frequency driver, like the tweeter. The Astral is rated at 23 ohms and the sensitivity of this IM is 105. So the power requirement is literally any source with 3.5mm jack works really well with this IM. Okay, without further ado, let's just talk about the sound. The sound of this IM, the setup I use, obviously the Kiwi Ears Astral with stock ear tips, QX13, Poco M6 Pro, Apple Music with genre of J-pop, EDM, rap, metal, and jazz. And my first impression with the Astral is that the bass and the micro detail is crazy. It is tuned very closely to Harman Target with the modification of the upper mid-range to be relaxed and the ultra-high frequency to be super extended and has a tiny peak, but it doesn't really annoys me. And it resulted in a very clean, mellow with hyper detail and hyper extended sound, both sub and both ultra high frequencies. Let's start from the bass. It sounds really rounded and it's really good. Like, I can't get enough of the bass. It's just a very great sounding bass, especially when listening to hip hop music and rap genre. Ooh! The bass quality is really hard to beat, and the mid-range it's mellow, zero shout, zero metallic timbre, and I can barely hear the balance armature timbre, and it sounds so natural. which I'm quite shocked. Though one thing, because of the relaxed upper mid-range, like songs or more like instruments such as violin, trumpet, feels a bit lacking in bite, but for vocals, it just sounds really nice. As for the treble, it is super extended with hyper detail, like you can hear everything, and most likely the extension of this IM is limited by your hearing health. So yeah, it is really extended. And the technicalities of this IM. For $299, the technicalities are just spectacular. The stage is medium size, but with hyper-realistic layering, everything sounds very well placed with exact size and exact boundaries like the walls. And then the imaging, it's holographic even when plugged only to my Poco M6 Pro, which crazy? This IM is just really technical beast. It's really mind-blowing. Separation and positioning also spectacular. It's so good that if you buy this for FPS gaming and you still can't locate your enemies, that's definitely on you, not the IM's fault. And the detail retrieval also spectacular. All I can say is that this is more detailed than my Moondrop Darksaber, which costs a lot more than this. And for the comparison, I won't do a direct detailed comparison, but all I can say is that this $299 USD IM beats the Moondrop Darksaber easily, both in build and in sound, tonality, and in technicalities, which means this IM basically is still. So the conclusion, get this! This might be the easiest IM recommendations before we end 2025. It has a very nice bass, natural timbre, hyper detailed, hyper extended, good build. What else you want? Like, one thing I could nitpick with this IM is that it is so detailed that somehow my brain kind of feels tired from all the details. Like, it's so ironical in a way. Also, I open a mixing and mastering commission, and that's all from me for now. Go grab some Astral for yourself, treat yourself to a nice IM, and thanks for sticking with me until the end. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.